Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. For my YouTube video, I just invited for the Talk with Top Management episode number 3 with Miss Halima. So, thank you very much for joining, Miss Halima, and start with your introduction.
Okay, thank you, Paritos, for let me be in your YouTube video. Thank you for invite me and
We
give
are
me the
blessed.
time.
We are blessed to have you.
Yeah, thank you very much. So I want to start that introduction to myself that I am Halima. Usually, I doing in the Indonesian unit, working in the various industry, which is from chocolate, cooking oil, shortening, margarine, bottle, which is PET, SDPE, and also the soap and glycerin product. And
Wow.
then during my journey in the manufacturing, which is we can say almost 20 years, I start from the staff, which is as a research
Mhm.
staff, research and development.
Mhm.
By the time running, I moved to the production,
Mhm.
quality, and also to the operation. The
Mhm.
last position that I got is in the operation, which is in the East Africa. So this is new factory when comparing to all the other factory that I joined before. This is
Yeah,
new
yeah.
factory. It's like a startup company.
Yes, this is
So
my question from you that because in previous two episode we covered that how an employee turning an owner when they start their business. So in the initial stage, what are the basic precaution to be taken care of?
yeah, when we are starting in the new factory, first of all, usually the people there need to be trained. There is two
Mm.
conditions. In one condition, if we are in the surrounding area, which is already many industry uh, presence,
Yeah, yeah.
but sometimes in any condition in the country where is the factory still not many, so this is more challenge. But when we talk
Mhm.
about challenge, meaning there is some good thing inside that one. There is
Okay.
solution and
Mm.
like
Mm.
how we can say that more chance to be done at that site. Yeah.
Mm. Mm.
So when we are starting a new factory, usually we are starting from the machine ordering, installation, and then commissioning. In the
Yeah.
same time, also we need to recruit the people
Yeah, yeah.
from the operator, from
Mm.
the supervisor,
Mm.
manager, and the
Mm.
other supporting people to be there.
Mm. Mm.
In the condition whereas the factory is already surrounded with the other industry, this is
Mm.
like we just need to continue the process which is the people already experienced. So
Yeah,
what
yeah.
we need to do, like doing
Mhm.
induction training, but already we do not need to do the basic induction, but
Mhm.
like induction to introduce them with the company, with the machinery, what is the company goal, the company regulation, company policy.
Yeah, yeah,
Because
correct.
when they coming to the new place, they need to know what is
Yeah,
inside the place. So this kind at the end also really one of the critical point to support the safety to be implemented if they
yeah,
got the induction from the
yeah, yeah,
beginning.
yeah, yeah, correct,
Yeah.
correct, correct, correct. Uh,
Another way,
yeah, yeah. Continue.
yeah, maybe for the other place which is not many industry available,
Mm-hmm.
the challenge is beside induction, we need to train them really from the basic, from the standard.
Mm-hmm.
So meaning that when we doing the startup, there must be like a leader or a person that capable to
Mm-hmm.
do this task because
Yeah, yeah,
this is another additional task, not
yeah, yeah.
only like another normal job description, but
Mm-hmm.
this coming to the really train from the zero start to the
Yeah,
people.
correct, correct, correct,
Yeah,
correct.
yeah.
Correct, correct. Since it is a new company, and for them, because the machines are new, and all the utility connection like air, water, and cooling water, and chilled water, along with the electrical connections, all are new. So it is always chances for the new employee at the new events that there may be some accident. So
Yeah.
how to avoid hazardous events? Do you have
Mm.
some tips?
Yeah, for this, there is two kind of induction that need to be done in the
Mm-hmm.
site. First,
Mm-hmm.
the induction regarding the company, what is the product inside, how is the company policy, how is the facility. Another thing is induction about safety,
Mm-hmm.
because this is like the basic step whenever we bring people to our site before he come to the production site or to the operation site. He must get the induction for safety. In other hazard can be prevented from the beginning, from the early stage. So
Mm-hmm.
this kind of thing, like where is we need to put like the line, where is the area to the people, to the movement, to the machinery, and also to introduce what kind of material there which is hazardous, cannot
Mm-hmm.
be touched, cannot be just use it. There is some regulation or some guidance, the like the standard operating procedure. So in my opinion, before we are starting up the plant, it is also fundamental that we already like preparing the
Mm.
how we call it, like company management system.
Mm. Okay.
Some
Mm.
some
Mm.
company they start
Mm.
with just running, but
Mm-hmm.
some company they prepare with already preparing the standard operating procedure for the work
Mm.
instruction, for
Mm-hmm.
the how we call it, the notice area, notice board, which is
Mm-hmm.
dangerous, which is hazard, which is confidential. I think it will be easier for us if we set up this first before we are
Before commissioning?
taking the operation. Yes, before commissioning.
Mm.
This is why when we are doing a startup, this is like more task and heavier compared to the factory which is already running.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Already running means
yeah,
system established.
yeah, system.
But for the new company, especially I have observed many times that initially we have less resources. Like one forklift, from the same forklift you are bringing material inside. With the same material, same forklift you are dispatching as well. The same forklift coming from rotation
Mm,
from RMPM to the FG. In between,
yeah,
sometime there is chances that they will make shortcut, because people
yeah,
getting tired. People after some time, after 1 year, after 2 year, in every factory I see that there is incoming, their warehouse different and this one different, two forklift, two driver, everything. But when we start, we always have shortage of resources. So the limited resources, how to avoid unnecessary, actually, hazards or events or accidents. I understand this is always unnecessary, but it happens because it's not planned. It happens.
yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah.
what is the minimum that everyone should take care?
Okay, so I think for this one, we need to set up priority.
Mm.
When we are starting a new company, I believe there is priority. Let's say
Mm.
we will
Mm.
start, we can say for me, which is in the oil industry, the
Yeah,
vegetable
yeah,
oil
yeah,
industry.
yeah. Edible oil industry.
Yeah, yeah, edible
Mm.
oil. Normally, there is like priority. How
Mm.
many metric ton we want to achieve? Let's say for the first running,
Mm.
there is a objective, right?
Mm.
And then how many machine will be run? There is like some period, or in the first semester or second semester, there is a priority like that. So when we
Mm.
are talking about starting, meaning no many movement in the same time.
Yes,
We
many
can
movement.
say, yeah, many movement.
Yeah,
We can say starting from the installation, after
yeah.
that commissioning, and then
Mm-hmm.
after that start the operation. When we
Correct.
are talking, it should
Mm.
be in the same time to be prepared. When we want to do commissioning, before the machine coming, we already recruit the people.
Yeah.
So we can do the induction about the company condition, the company procedure, which is there is someone need to determine or prepare the procedure. Usually
Correct.
when we are having the factory, we know what are being produced, right? What do you want to produce? So we prepare the procedure based on this one. That's why
Correct.
when we are talking about recruit the experienced people, meaning we bring all the thing, all the set with this person. So he prepare this one.
One of the pain area I am explaining you, the specialized or the expert, we hire initially, we hire them, but there is some inconvenience inside the plant, and these expert employees, expert to the machine or the material, they guys get fed up, and then
Yeah,
they become absent. If we can see the any new plant, absenteeism rate is very high. Okay,
yeah.
so have you experienced this ever, and is there any tips to how to minimize it? We cannot